Two more diagrams I am drawing here. When two magnets of like poles are nearer to each other and unlike poles are nearer to each other, then what will be the field lines? Two magnets, one is here, it is north, here it is south, here also north, here also south. So you will see here two like poles are nearer to each other. So field lines will be represented like this. Here also you will give the arrow sign. It will originate. So field lines will be represented like this. Yani ki repulsion will be there. And when two magnets of like poles are closer to each other, here it is north, here it is south, here it is south, and here it is north. In this case, the magnetic field will originate from the north and end at the south. So field lines will be represented like this. Like this. So this is how you will represent the magnetic field lines when two magnets of like poles and unlike poles are nearer to each other. Now the next topic we are going to study, magnetic field due to a current carrying straight conductor. Magnetic field due to a current carrying straight conductor. Magnetic field due to a current carrying straight conductor. Now in this there is one activity that we have to draw. Magnetic field due to a current carrying straight conductor. Now here we have to study one activity, and the activity is as follows. Now you will listen and see the activity carefully. First of all, we will take one cardboard. एक cardboard ले लेंगे. This is the cardboard. White cardboard on which we will place one paper. एक पर एक paper रख देंगे, ठीक है? Now we will make a hole in that cardboard and put a wire, straight wire inside it. एक straight wire अंदर रखेंगे. The half part of the wire is above and the half part of the wire is below this cardboard. This cardboard is placed horizontally. ऐसे है cardboard. फिगर में ऐसे दिख रहा है, बट एक्चुअली इट इज लाइक दिस हॉरिजेंटली. नाउ दीज टू एंड्स ऑफ द वायर, दिस इज अ कंडक्टर, ये कंडक्टर है, विल बी कनेक्टेड टू अ बैटरी एंड अ स्विच. इसको हम बैटरी और स्विच से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. दिस इज योर नेगेटिव टर्मिनल, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव. This is the closed plug key, and then you connect it like this. This is now we have connected it. This is your positive terminal, so the direction of the current will be in this manner. This is the direction of the current. Now the current is flowing in this straight conductor. Once the current starts flowing in the straight conductor, what you have to do, you have to take a compass needle, a small compass needle, and put near this current carrying straight conductor. एक compass needle पहले ले लेंगे. तो सबसे पहले compass needle को यहां रखते हैं. Once you will put the compass needle, you will see that the direction of the needle will change. अपने आप change होगा. अपने आप change होगा. You don't have to do anything. Just put a pencil mark in front of it. Now what you have to do, again put this compass needle in front of it. इसके आगे फिर रखेंगे. The direction of the needle will change. Again we will remove this compass needle and put it in front of it. Again we will remove this compass needle and put it in front of it. And repeat this process. Now put the compass needle time to time in front of the arrow and then see the points or see the dots. Now what you will observe that a circle will be formed here. एक circle बन जाएगा. A circle will be formed here. Now join all the dots. अब इसको हम rub कर रहे हैं and I will join all the dots. After joining all the dots, you will get a circle like this. एक circle मिलेगा इस type का. This is the first magnetic field line in the form of circle around a current carrying closed state conductor. Now once you get the first magnetic field lines in the form of a circle, now you repeat the step. फिर इसी step को repeat करना है by changing the position of the compass. अब यहां से start करेंगे, थोड़ा हट के. You will observe that again you will get one more circle. सारे dots को join करेंगे तो फिर तुमको एक circle और मिलेगा. Like this. Again repeat the same step by placing the compass needle away from it. Like this. और फिर एक और ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. तो this type of circles you will get. और इसको कौन सा सर्कल बोलते हैं? कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. ये जो सर्कल दिख रहा है, these are magnetic field lines in the form of concentric circles. The circles having the same center and different radii. So these are concentric circles, magnetic field lines, magnetic field lines in the form of concentric circles. ठीक है, तो ये मिल गया हमको मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. अब इसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड है, ये जो सर्कल्स बना, इसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड है, इसका जो स्ट्रेंथ है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का, ये किस पर डिपेंड करेगा? दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी. यानी कि द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस या स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस अराउंड द स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर. Magnitude of the magnetic field lines around a straight current carrying conductor depends on पहला फैक्टर बी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, ये हम बी लिख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू आई. यहां आई मतलब करंट. द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इज इफ वी इंक्रीज द करंट बाय एडिंग मोर सेल्स, जब यहां पर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को बढ़ाएंगे तो करंट भी बढ़ेगा. एंड वंस द करंट विल इंक्रीज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस विल आल्सो इंक्रीज. तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस बढ़ा? यू विल गेट मोर नंबर ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स की नंबर बढ़ जाएंगे. सो मोर विल बी द करंट, मोर विल बी द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सेकेंड, the strength of the magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance from the center of the coil. B is inversely proportional to 1 by R, where R is the distance from the center of the coil. आर तुम्हारा यहां डिस्टेंस हो गया, यानी कि इफ वी मूव मोर फार अवे फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, इस पॉइंट से अगर जितना ज्यादा दूर जा रहे हैं, द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल गो ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. जैसे हम मैग्नेट को रख दिए, उस मैग्नेट से जैसे जैसे दूर चले जाएंगे उसका फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ घटते जाएगा. एंड एज यू मूव क्लोजर टू द मैग्नेट उसका फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ते जाता है. द सेम थिंग हैपेंस हियर. इससे जितना दूर जाएंगे स्ट्रेंथ घटेगा. And as we come closer to the coil, current carrying conductor, the strength will increase. यानी कि इसी फिगर में हम दो पॉइंट लेके दिखा देते हैं. सपोज एक पॉइंट यहां ले लिए x and one point here it is y. I have taken 2 points x and y. X and y. Now distance of point X is less in comparison to distance of point Y. So the magnetic field at strength X, point X will be greater in comparison to Y. Here I am writing it. Rx is less than Ry. R मतलब क्या हो गया? Distance of point X is less in comparison to distance of point Y from the center of the coil. तो जब डिस्टेंस कम होगा तो क्या ज्यादा हो जाएगा? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ Bx will be greater than By. यानी कि the strength of the magnetic field at point X will be greater than the strength of the magnetic field at point Y. This is the example related to second example का जो second point है उसका हम ये example दिए हैं by taking 2 points X and Y on these 2 field lines. तो जितना ज्यादा दूर जाएंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड घटेगा और जितना नजदीक आएंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बढ़ेगा. सो इट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल.